If you are still typing out captions word for word on your videos, I need you to stop right now. You are literally wasting hours of your life doing something AI can do for you in under 60 seconds. And the best part, it's absolutely easy for you to achieve that. I am going to show you exactly how to do it using CapCut. Let's go straight into it. First thing, you will head over to CapCut application on your mobile phone or on your PC. Open the application. You will head over to new video. Click on new video. The videos you have on your system or your mobile phone will come up. You click on the video you want to edit, which is you adding captions on. Okay. The video will pop up here. And you play the video, you understand it has no audio, it has no captions. Yes, so you have to move it back to the end, the beginning. Over here, you will see captions. Beside overlay, beside filter, you click on caption. This amazing interface will pop up asking you automatic captions, generate from video, spoken language, okay, templates. You click on these templates. You select the caption style you want to have. These are amazing captions here. So decide the one you want to use, simple, complex, thereabouts. Okay, I will go for this guy here. I'll click down this button and click on generate. The generate button will generate the captions for you. So you don't need to start typing in words. Everything will come up automatically how it's supposed to be. You don't need to stress yourself adding everything. And on this video, I will show you how you can change the styles. Okay, right here has shown you, it has generated, hey, my name. Okay, I want you to watch it yourself. You click on done. Captions is already here. You can increase the size. You can bring it down. You can take it to any corner you want it to be. You want it to be at the middle. You want it to be at the left or right. You want it to be at the overhead. Anywhere you want it to be, you keep your captions. Okay. So let's watch how it shows. Hey, my name is Anthony Olu. I create amazing content on how you can use AI. And over here, you can actually change the caption. If you want the style to change, you have templates where you have font, style, thereabout. So right here, you have more captions, design, styles you want to use for your video. You can change font, you can change style, you can change effect. This is font. It depends on the one you want to use. You can use any one that suits your preference. Style, you have style where you can change the colors, the background, and all that. Effects, you have the effects part of it. This is how the effect looks. Animations, you have animations. So decide the one you want. If you want how the captions will appear, this is how you can choose. We have paper folding and all that. There are amazing captions you can use to beautify your video. So your video won't just be blunt. It won't really be engaging. And here you can add icons on your characters. Look at how this one flows. Very amazing. It will load and appears here. You see how this one shows? So it depends on the one you want. So let me know on the comment section which is your best caption style you love to use. Me, I use different captions based on the video I am making. Yes, I use different captions. It's based on the video I am making. Do you want it to be so busy? Do you want it to be simple? Do you want it to be unique? You can change. This is trending one. This is classic. Okay. This is classic right now. If you want it to be classic, this is new caption styles. You see how it looks? This is hits and words. So it depends on the one you want to use. There are amazing captions you can use on CapCut today. So let me know on the comment section, which do you prefer to use? And when adding captions, you need to consider what your background, what you are putting on, so that your background or what you are putting on will not kill the vibe of the caption. Okay, so that your caption can stand out well. Look at this. This seems funny. Yes, let it load. This one seems funny. It's like what do you call it? It's like, and you can edit your captions if you want. Like here says OLU. No, my name is ULU. My surname is ULU, Anthony Olo. So you decide the captions you want. Like I said, consider what you are putting on, consider your background, and drop your caption. Olo, I create amazing content on how you can use AI to this like skeleton playing guitar. Today's digital, it's fun and amazing. So let me know on the comment section, which will you be trying out next? All right, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have not done so, feel free to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. See you on my next video. Cheers. And when you are done uploading the caption you want, of course, you click on export. It will definitely export to your mobile phone or your desktop, depending the one you are working with. When it's done exporting, it will come out well and super on point. So let me know, like I said, let me know your best caption. You click on done, your video is ready. So you can actually play it here. Hey, my name is Anthony. And see how it looks. I create amazing content on how you can. This is awesome. Okay, guys, see you on my next video. Cheers.